Jai Sri Krishna. So today let us do the Srimad Bhagavat, and we are continuing the chapter 7.9 of Srimad Bhagavata, discourses by Swami Tejomayanandji. And last time we saw about the universal dharma, okay? And how he said that most of the people have got the same things, everybody should be truthful, everybody should be compassionate, everybody should have purity of body, everybody should control the sense organs, everybody should control the mind, never to cause any pain, and be ready to observe discipline. If necessary to know Brahma, you should have santosha and perform your duty. And now he's going to talk about the additional fundamental values. And so I am on page 415. And I read, additional fundamental values expounded in Hindu scriptures include maintaining an attitude of service towards all, practicing selfless service, observing silence, offering charity regularly, pursuing spiritual studies, withdrawing the sense organs from excessive extroversion, and seeing God in all of creation. See, I personally think that a balance in everything is fine. So when it is strange to hear the saying man is a social animal, because Hindu culture teaches that God alone appears as every particle of the universe. Yet we repeatedly call ourselves animals and have made ourselves become like animals. This is now not how it should be. Sage Narada stated, to worship the Lord, to serve all, and to listen to, sing, and remember the Lord's glories are practices that are not restricted to any caste, age, or life stage. This is the fundamental dharma of humankind. And I always say that while living, let's continue to live. I was just listening to a story which you may like or not, I don't know, but there was this, the story is that this person went to heaven and he was asked, so what have you done in life? So he said, I didn't sing, I didn't dance, I just did nothing. I didn't sing the glories, the Lord's glories, and I just didn't do anything. So I believe that at the gateway of heaven, he was told that in that case, why didn't you report earlier? Because you were dead long ago. So the point is that let's not be dead while we are not dead. While we are living, in my mind, we should continue living. So here, as Sage Narada also states, and I repeat, to worship the Lord, to serve all, and to listen, to sing, and remember the Lord's glories are practices that are not restricted to any caste, age, or life stage. This is the fundamental dharma of humankind. Hereafter, the various duties of Brahmin, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas, and Shudras are described in detail. A Brahmin is contemplated, and therefore it is his duty to envision the direction in which society should move and the standards and principles that should be established. The duty of a Kshatriya is to correctly understand this vision and lead society in that direction. Let me remind you that a Brahmin is supposed to be a knowledgeable and wise person. The duty of a Kshatriya is to correctly understand this vision and lead society in that direction. The duty of the Kshatriya is generally a soldier, so he should know, again I say it in Swamiji's own words, that the duty of a Kshatriya is to correctly understand this vision and lead society in that direction. The duty of the Vaishya is to find the financial support